When your PC system memory fails, it can cause a variety of issues. So if your Dell desktop system is experiencing no post, random crashes, slow performance, even blue screen of death, then follow these troubleshooting steps to help resolve RAM issues. Run a pre-boot hardware test on your system with the help of Dell SupportAssist. Turn on your system and start tapping the F12 key once the Dell logo appears. This will access the one-time boot menu. Select Diagnostics, which should initiate the quick test. Be sure to make a note of any error codes and validation codes that appear after the test completes, and if any issues are detected, contact Dell support through social media and provide the codes along with the issue description. If the quick test produces no memory errors, then run the Advanced Memory Error test. Click on Advanced Test. Tick the options for memory and also for thorough mode. With those two ticked, click on Run Test, which will start an extensive test on the system memory that could take up to 40 minutes, so be sure to keep your system on. Make a note of any error codes and validation codes, and contact Dell support if any issues are found. If no errors are found after running these tests, move on to the next step. To learn how to use the Microsoft System Configuration tool to improve your system's performance, click the link shown to watch our video. Test the RAM sticks by removing them and by swapping the modules. If you have another system on hand that uses the same type of memory, with both systems off, remove all the RAM sticks from the PC with the issues and install them in the other system, and then turn the system on. If the other system fails, this means that the memory sticks are failing. If the other system runs normally, then there might be a problem with your original system's motherboard. If this is the case, you should contact Dell support for further assistance. If there is more than one memory stick, you should test them one at a time. This will help identify which of the RAM modules is the one that is failing. If you don't have another system available for testing, remove all the RAM sticks and then insert each one individually into each open RAM slot and run the system for each separately. If the system fails, then you know that specific memory stick is bad. If you have more than one, test them all using this same method to be sure. For important information about avoiding electrostatic discharge and how to protect your computer equipment from ESD damage, click the link shown to watch our video. To relay any error code messages received, or if you still need help with troubleshooting, contact Dell support through social media at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. There's also the Dell Community Forum where you can join in a chat or start a new one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.